Want to learn how to eat healthy? Then try this No Bake Blackberry Cheesecake. I love blackberry desserts, especially easy blackberry recipes that are healthy too. Can't go wrong with tasty, gut-healthy recipes, so give this a try. Healthy is simple. Let's start with the crust, and in our blender add 2 cups of walnuts, 1 tablespoon of monk fruit sweetener, and 1 tablespoon butter. And then we're going to blend it up until it's nice and crumbly. This is honestly the best crust ever. And then you can do this in a pie pan. I'm just doing it on a lightly greased baking sheet. Just spread it out and press it down all the way to the edges. Then we're gonna go to our filling and put in 2 packages of non-dairy cream cheese, 2/3 cup monk fruit sweetener, 6 drops of wild orange essential oil. This is amazing flavor, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And then we're going to whip it all together until smooth. Again, no baking for this, which makes this just absolutely lovely. Just spread it out really nicely over your crust. Then we're gonna go to the blackberries, and in a small bowl we are going to put 1 cup of fresh blackberries, and then get your chopper or masher and mash it just lightly. I like to make sure it is nice and chunky still. And once you've done that, we're going to spread it over your cream cheese filling and slightly marble it. Now, the marbling is totally up to you. You can marble it a little or a lot. Then add some fresh blackberries on top, and it is ready to be chilled until ready to serve. Lovely, right? Healthy is simple. Please ask your questions in the comments below, then like and subscribe. As a health and weight loss coach of many years, I help people like you improve gut health naturally by starting with a free health assessment in the description below. So take that next step, and thank you for watching.